Ripple On-Demand Liquidity helps customers to move money around the world without the need for correspondent banking relationships and the pre-funding of accounts abroad. The product aims to deliver payments that are seamless, real-time, and cost-effective. The legacy payments infrastructure is a patchwork of centralized networks. It takes an average of 3 to 5 days to settle international transactions that involve multiple parties. The system is also prone to errors, with poor data flow between intermediaries. Payment processing costs are high and average between $25 to $35 per payment. The Ripple On-Demand Liquidity product aims to help network members in accessing a pool of ready-to-use money through digital assets. The costs of sourcing this liquidity are kept low because it happens only when there is demand. This means that customers of the product, banks, payments providers, and corporates don't need to keep expensive Nostro accounts open in foreign countries. How does Ripple On-Demand Liquidity work? Ripple On-Demand Liquidity puts Ripple's XRP token in the middle of cross-border payments rather than a myriad of intermediaries. Using the service, customers can tap into that XRP liquidity. The XRP token itself acts as a bridge between two fiat currencies, ultimately settling payments in local currency at the payment destination. Transactions are confirmed within a matter of seconds. Ripple has been gradually opening up ODL payment corridors between various regions. ODL corridors exist in Europe, Japan, the Philippines, Australia, and 22 destination markets worldwide. Product adoption. XRP token sales to ODL clients accounted for $409 million in the second quarter, a 50% increase by comparison with the previous quarter and a clear signal of real-world adoption. In May, Lithuania-based international money transfer firm Finci opted to use ODL to execute retail and business-to-business settlements. Through the partnership, Finci's customers will be able to make payments between Europe and Mexico without Finci having to pre-fund international accounts as required by the legacy system. Earlier in the year, Asian payments hub Tranglo partnered with Ripple to enable the company's ODL service across its payments corridors following a pilot deployment in 2021. Tranglo cited low cost and the ability to send payments without locking in funds as the benefits it is getting from the arrangement. Ripple On-Demand Liquidity has also found a use case in making for more efficient treasury payments. Last week, Ripple announced a partnership with Singapore-based FOMO Pay, who will use Ripple's ODL product for treasury payments. In the past, FOMO Pay treasury managers have had to use payment methods in Euro and USD that would take up to 2 days for funds to reach destination accounts. Using ODL, FOMO Pay can achieve more cost-effective and instant settlement globally. Although Ripple focuses on being a cryptocurrency and digital payment network, it has recently shown signs of additional capabilities. In July 2022, it emerged that blockchain development firm Peersys Technology had used Ripple's blockchain-based solution to store and authenticate property titles for Colombia's National Land Registry Agency. The first instance of that real-world land registry use went live last week. The network has also implemented changes to improve its capability to support NFTs at scale. This recent focus on NFTs has led to a partnership with UK performance car maker Lotus, which plans to launch an NFT collection on the XRP ledger. A Ripple blog post had more good news for XRP token holders. Former CTO and co-founder Jed McCaleb has finally sold off all of his tokens. McCaleb owned 9% of total token supply at one stage, and selling off the tokens would have had a downward pressure on token unit price. Ripple has often been criticized for not having the same level of decentralization as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and for previously distancing itself from its own XRP token. Despite these concerns, nobody can deny that the token is finally seeing some real-world use. Key advantages: deep liquidity. The availability of deep liquidity for major trading pairs on select centralized exchanges is a significant advantage for traders and investors. Multi-chain issuance. Being issued on both XRP Ledger and Ethereum expands RLUSD's reach and accessibility to users across different blockchain ecosystems. Instant settlement. The ability to send RLUSD worldwide in near real time with minimal fees and no bank account requirement is a compelling feature for cross-border payments. Programmable Finance RLUSD's integration with programmable finance can enhance the efficiency and accessibility of various financial use cases. Ripple's ODL, a complementary solution. Ripple's on-demand liquidity or ODL service further strengthens the ecosystem. By leveraging XRP as a bridge between fiat currencies, ODL offers seamless cross-border payments. ODL enables customers to move money globally without the need for correspondent banking relationships or pre-funded accounts. Transactions are confirmed in a matter of seconds, providing significant efficiency gains compared to traditional methods. ODL aims to reduce payment processing costs by eliminating intermediaries and leveraging XRP's liquidity. Potential impact and considerations. The regulatory environment for stablecoins is evolving rapidly. RLUSD's success will depend on its ability to comply with emerging regulations and maintain trust among users and regulators. The stablecoin market is highly competitive, with established players like USDT and USDC. RLUSD will need to differentiate itself and offer unique value propositions to attract users. The widespread adoption of RLUSD by businesses and individuals will be crucial for its long-term success. Integration with various platforms and services will be essential. Ripple USD presents a promising stablecoin solution with potential benefits for users and businesses. Its deep liquidity, multi-chain issuance, and integration with ODL could make it a valuable asset for cross-border payments and programmable finance. However, the competitive landscape, regulatory developments, and adoption rates will be key factors determining its ultimate success. Ripple's ODL as a solution. The statement posits that Ripple's on-demand liquidity, or ODL, can serve as a critical solution during economic downturns, offering faster and more efficient cross-border payments than traditional methods like SWIFT. The argument suggests that the efficiency and utility of ODL will contribute to a stable value for XRP, similar to how stablecoins like USDT and USDC maintain parity with the US dollar. XRP's superiority to Bitcoin. The statement asserts that XRP's faster transaction speed, scalability, and suitability for cross-border payments make it a more viable choice than Bitcoin for these purposes. Regulatory impact. The author believes that once regulations are in place, wider adoption by banks will drive up the price of XRP significantly. Significance and implications. If XRP were to dethrone Bitcoin as the dominant cryptocurrency, it would have profound implications for the broader cryptocurrency market and the financial industry. Here are some potential outcomes. Increased adoption of XRP. As more institutions and individuals recognize the benefits of XRP for cross-border payments and other applications, adoption rates could surge. Shift in market dynamics. A shift from Bitcoin to XRP could disrupt the existing market dynamics, potentially impacting the value of other cryptocurrencies and related investments. Impact on financial institutions. Banks and other financial institutions may need to adapt their operations to accommodate the growing use of XRP for payments and other services. Regulatory implications. The increased prominence of XRP could lead to stricter regulations or new regulatory frameworks specifically targeting cryptocurrencies. Caveats and considerations. Market volatility. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the value of XRP could fluctuate significantly even if it gains widespread adoption. Technological advancements. Other cryptocurrencies or blockchain technologies could emerge with superior capabilities, challenging XRP's dominance. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies remains uncertain, and changes in regulations could impact XRP's value and adoption.